Welcome to the Ariadne onboarding tutorial for the TOF sensor. In this video, we'll guide you through each step to register, set up, and activate your device. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit this URL. Step 2. Click on Register Now. Step 3. Fill in your details. Do not forget to select Yes at the question. Did you already receive our device? Step 4. Create a new project. Step 5. Give a name to your project. Step 6. Make sure that you have selected the address field. Step 7. Type the address where you intend to install the device and click Submit. Step 8. Click on Add Device in order to add the device you have on hand. Step 9. Type the device ID as follows. In the field of SSID, you will see the words config_TOF_XXXX, 4-digit ID of the device. The ID is the wording that follows config_. In the example below, the ID is TOF D08. Step 10. Type the ID in the field below. Step 11. When you write the ID, 2 QR codes will appear at the bottom of the window. Step 12. Give a name to the area that you are planning to monitor. Step 13. If you are planning to use the sensors to count the total visitors in a building, then we advise you to name it Total. Since we can enable additional functionality, you may have as many total areas as you wish. For example, if you have multiple entrances, you may provide the same name. In this case, the sensors will summarize the number of visitors. However, you will not be able to record how many visitors passed under each sensor. Step 14. Make sure that the sensor is on and plugged into electricity. You may turn the sensor on or off using a paperclip. However, all sensors are shipped with the switch on. Step 14. Reminder. Plug device to electricity. Do not use a laptop charger. Step 15. Scan the left side QR code using your phone to connect to the device's local network. Alternative connection. If your phone cannot connect to the device's local network, then search manually for Wi-Fi networks and connect to the one named config_TOF_XXXX. Step 17. Scan the second QR code to visit the portal that will allow you to change the device configuration. Step 18. Type the name of your network and your password to enable the device to connect through your Wi-Fi network to the internet and stream its data. Step 19. Install the device. You may use the M3 tape that was included in the packet and glue the device on the top of the entrance. The exit sign should face outdoors, and the entry sign should face indoors. The device will count from outside to inside. The device must be installed at a maximum height of 11.5 feet or 3.5 meters and covers an area of up to 6.5 square feet or 2 square meters. Step 20. Congratulations! Now you can see your total visitors. Visit the Optical Sensors dashboard to view and interact with your data.